Good day, everyone. So we are now on PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint. But first, let us know what is Microsoft PowerPoint. So PowerPoint is an essential tool, a multifunctional tool for making presentations, which has been created by Microsoft as part of their Microsoft Office suite. It offers toolbox to organize presentations by using different tools and features to make it visually pleasant and attractive. It also gives an opportunity to the users for text graphics, multimedia objects, and animations elements to combine in one place to allow users to present information in more effective way. So now, let's move into the characteristics of PowerPoint. So the characteristics of PowerPoint is slide-based narrative structure, dynamic visual effects, design customization, and advanced. Now, the very first characteristics of PowerPoint is slide-based narrative structure. By breaking the complex informations or ideas into discrete, manageable slides, helps the viewers, or this structure ensures the presenter maintains a logical storyboard that prevents the audience from being overwhelmed by too much data at once. And then, the second characteristic of PowerPoint is the dynamic visual effects. The strategic use of transitions and animations does more than just add flair. It acts as visual cue that directs the audience eyes to specific details, exactly when the speaker is discussing them, significantly boosting focus, especially those ones who is a visual learner, and more on like they can focus on what's in the storyboard because the user used some elements, videos, and structures like that. Design and customization. By utilizing templates and smart arts, it is the most efficient way to achieve a high-end, professional look, as these tools automatically handle alignment and color theory that would otherwise require hours of manual graphic design work. But if you want to learn on how to do it, you can just watch it on YouTube. It helps you to quickly change visuals too. In this part, like the visual appearance and layout of their entire presentation. This is where you will do the templates and themes. And now let's move into the benefits of the PowerPoint. And we have here is visual appeal. Visual appeal of PowerPoint allows users to create visually engaging presentations using a variety of designs, templates, themes, and multimedia elements. This is practically beneficial as research shows that the 65% of people are visual learners, making it easier for audiences to retain information presented visually. Second is organization and structure. The software provides a structured framework for organizing content. So logically, users can create multiple slides. Use slides masters for consistent formatting. They arrange slides to ensure coherent flow of information, which helps presenters stay on track during their delivery. Audience. Third is audience engagement. PowerPoint includes interactive features such as quizzes, polls, hyperlinks that encourage audience participation. This interactivity makes presentations more dynamic and memorable, enhancing the overall experience for viewers. Fourth is ease of use. With its user-friendly interface, PowerPoint is accessible to users of all skill levels. Just like I said, you can watch YouTube if you are not familiar on using PowerPoint. The intuitive tools and straightforward navigation allows for efficient creation, editing, and delivery of presentations. And number 5 is flexibility. PowerPoint supports various content types, including text, images, charts, graphs, videos, and audio files. This flexibility enables users to tailor their presentations to effectively convey their messages and engage their audiences. So it is flexible. You can download it or share it as PDF, and then you can share it in the class while you're discussing it in front, like on the TV, and then like that. Yeah. And then number 6 is collaboration and sharing. PowerPoint facilitates easy collaboration among team members, allowing multiple users to work on presentations simultaneously. And number 6 is collaboration and sharing. PowerPoint facilitates easy collaboration among team members, allowing multiple users to work on presentations simultaneously. This feature is practically useful in business setting or a group setting in educational grounds and where a teamwork is essential. And the last is the presenter tools. And this part is beneficial to the user itself. The software includes tools that aids in delivering presentations smoothly, such as presenter's view, that's what I said, which allows speakers to see their notes and upcoming slides while the audience views only the presentation. In this part, the user or the presenter can see or review the time, how much time they have used, because there is a time in the presenter's view, and you can also put a note in there. And lastly is how to file format for saving PowerPoint presentation. First is the standard presentation or the PPTX. This is a default based on format used since 2007. It is optimized for small size, high reliability, and compatibility with all modern versions of PowerPoint. Next is PowerPoint Show, the PPSX. This format is ideal for final deliveries. When opened, it goes directly into full screen slideshow mode, bypassing the editing interference for a more professional start. And the third is portable document format or PDF, that is we usually used by students. Saving as a PDF preserves all formatting exactly across any device. It is the best choice for printing handouts or sharing a non-edible version of the desk. Fourth is video format or MP4 or WMV. You can export a presentation as a standalone video itself, which is perfect for looping display on kiosks or sharing on social media platforms without requiring PowerPoint to view it. The next is PowerPoint template or POTX. This format saves the design skeleton, including logos and color schemes, which can be then used as starting point for future presentations to ensure brand consistency. And then the last is macro enabled presentation, the PPTM. This specific format is required if the presentation contains VBA or Visual Basic for applications, script used for automating repetitive tasks or adding custom functionality. And that's all. Thank you.